How to link or embed a YouTube video into Word document. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can link or embed a YouTube video into your Word document. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is head over to the YouTube video that you want to embed. So after you're here on the YouTube video, tap on the share button. After you tap on the share button, you will see embed option. Tap on embed. Now all you have to do is copy this code. Tap on copy. You can do it manually by selecting everything here as well. And after you do that, you can head over to the Word document. On Word document, head over to insert, tap on it, and tap on online videos. Now all you have to do is paste the embedded code right here. So wait for it. Now you can select YouTube if you want, and yeah, just enter the address for the online video. So just copy and paste and then tap on insert. Just wait for it, and there we go. And that's basically how you can embed a YouTube video into your Word document, and it's that simple. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.